Here's the breakdown. Got a kayak. I didn't want to set sail against my better judgment. I just hiked so far to get here, and the water's moving pretty fast. Now if I can successfully make it to the other side, we'd be in good. I'm realizing now it's gonna be hard to hold my phone and paddle at the same time without my phone getting wet. Respect the drip, everybody. USA, 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 USA. Sorry. Alright. Pull the kayak down to the water. I hiked about a mile with this kayak, dragged it, so hopefully it wasn't just to drown. Got my life jacket, so that automatically means we are safe. The goal is to paddle as far as I can upstream before I get tired, and then hopefully just coast down. I believe it's time to set sail. Yes, we are floating. We are floating. Oh, this thing is not steady. This is very sketchy. We're going upstream. Woohoo! Not very fast, I'll tell you what. But we are getting there. Stability's not too bad. Should I try to cross? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. We are at the middle of the river. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Guys, we've almost made it across the river. This is crazy. The current is fairly strong. I'm just about across the river. This is awesome. Woohoo! We made it across the river. I'll tie on the closest thing I have. No, that's cool. That's cool. You don't want me to catch fish. I understand. I understand. Nobody's gonna give me any tips today. I went from rags to riches. That type of shit don't faze a player. Imagine going into someone's live and they're just singing. That is whoever just joined. That type of shit don't faze a player. You type of shit ain't right. Should I tie on a jerkbait? Boys, we're on. No, we're on. We're on. We are on a fish. We are on a fish. Oh, there goes my paddle. I don't know what kind of fish it is. Oh God, he's under the boat. He's under the boat. This is a fighter. Oh my God, you're seeing it. We are on a fish. Oh, we're on. We are on. I don't know how I'm gonna hook him. It's a huge trout. Oh no, it's a huge pike minnow. 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 Don't leave yet. We are gonna land this fish. We are gonna land this fish. Don't leave yet. Fish on! First fish in the kayak. We got a nice pike minnow. Woo! A beautiful pike minnow. You saw it, my one viewer. First fish. It's been long fought, long and hard. That was for the screenshot. Get out of here, you ugly. Oh. Woo! First fish. It pulled me halfway down the river. First fish on the kayak. 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 Battle and a half. Whew. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. I am shaking. First fish on the kayak. Wow. Like, that's something to be happy about. The first fish on the yak. Kayak. What did I say, y'all? Pink always gets it done. When in doubt, tie on a pink lure. The smaller the better. You will catch a fish. Like, pink always works. No matter what you're fishing for, every fish likes pink. Mark my words. Like, it's a little zesty, you know. Oh, it's so zesty. But every fish likes pink. I've never met a fish that didn't like the color pink, and I meet a lot of fish. First fish on the kayak. First fish on the kayak. And it's really fun. I need to reset my drag because we just got pulled, towed around by a pike minnow. I'm the best rapper I know. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. I'm loving it like McDonald's catching fish. Yippity yip yip yip. I'm catching fish. Yippity yip yip yip. First fish on the kayak. You watching right now, drop a double tap. Drop a like. It costs nothing. It's free. It's good luck. Come on. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You right there, I'm talking to you. Drop a like. It's so bright. Oh my gosh, I thought it was getting dark. No, I have freaking polarized sunglasses on like a boy. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in the world. I'm just a girl. There's another one. That's another fish. That is a fish. That's another fish. A nice one at that. I don't know what the species is. Just trying to go under the boat. Another pike minnow. Ugh. There goes all my work. Oh, he's got me right around a bush. A little bigger than the last one. And we got him. Gosh, this place slammed it. He slammed it. I'm dropping him. Jesus Christ. Second fish of the day. Another pike minnow. That's a nice one. 2 hours. It's been 5 minutes since that last fish. Man, what in the world? There he goes. Oh, wow. He had to wake up. He didn't know. He was in shock. Second fish. Woo! That was a nice one. We are in a school of pike minnow right here. Let's keep fishing them. Fish them out of here. Fish them till they won't bite no more. Fish them till they don't bite no more. Fish them till they don't bite no more. Fish them till they don't. 2 fish in 5 minutes after 2 hours of fishing. Can't complain about that. At least we didn't get skunked on our maiden voyage. I got this perfect little parking spot set up. Like a kayak parking spot, basically. I'm using my paddle as sort of a seatbelt. And it's been awesome. I'm just casting around all this cover, and these pike minnow are just scrumptious my bait right up. We just caught 2 fish in 5 minutes after 2 hours of fishing. So they are biting. They're finally started biting. I'll hook up here soon, I promise. It's only a matter of time. I just hooked up twice in a matter of a couple minutes. So yeah, we're probably gonna hook up here soon. Now, what I've noticed with the kayak is definitely have to play these fish a tiny bit more to where they'll be docile when you're trying to get them up, or else it will just be difficult. I need to reset my drag after that last fish. That one was a fighter. No doubt about that. I don't believe in trash fish, because that fish is a trash fish, and it fights just as hard as a smallmouth bass. Literally, just as hard, if not harder, than a smallmouth bass. And it's a trash fish, because people like to eat salmon, and it eats baby salmon. Like, sorry, that's the circle of life. Oh, that was the most rookie thing I've ever done. I didn't flip my bail. Jeez Louise. It's fun to be alive. I'll just... Hopefully some of y'all are subscribing. Hopefully you like me enough to do that. Kinda ugly. There's one. Yeah, that's a fish. Thought I was snagged. Oh my gosh. They're just getting bigger. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. That's a monster. That's a monster. He's towing me down. That's a monster. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a monster. That is a monster. Ugh. Oh gosh. Look at that beauty, boys. Hopefully I didn't miss that whole fight. That was an epic fight. Let's get the release. These ones take a sec to wake up. They're pretty weird little fish. Ugh. We are on them. Woo! That is our 3rd fish of the day. We've only caught pike minnow today. I'm surprised we haven't seen any bass. That was our first big wave. Those are the waves that'll go over your kayak. Don't make the same mistake. It's early. Oh, guys, we almost went over. My ass is wet. Butt is wet. Okay. How soaked is my wallet? Wallet's a little wet. Okay. Cash is still dry. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna call it a day. After I cast in this spot. All these waves, paddle across. All these waves, paddle across. All these waves, paddle across. These are the roughest waves on the river. Oh, this is awesome. I'm just cruising. There's my beach. There's my beach. There's my beach. Oh, that was almost a flip. Oh, rod tip. This thing is this is the strongest rod I own. I've almost broken it so many times today. Alright, I'm going to attempt to stand up out of the kayak. We're up. We are on land. First voyage on the kayak was a success. Thumbnail. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. First voyage on the kayak was fun. We're gonna call it that. And that is the live. Catch more. Have a great day. Whoa!